Maybe it's on a transform. No what? This is photon. Okay. Oh, it's a zip. Ooh, a debug one. Oh. They don't care as much. One. Oh, I see. And I assume I don't need to care about that. Enable mouse selection. Ooh. Oh, that is sexy. Hell yes. Huh. But It has to be left click. Okay. The amusing part is that their own tool is written using their own AI. That's good. Makes sense. Wait, should this be? Oh. Drag the focus target. Okay. Oh. Something changed. Why changes this here? Content binding. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Ability. Is visible false. Yeah, it does make it visible. Item. My item C. Yeah. I got no idea. Wait, this is what? RAM is under the OIS. Really? Oh, but wait a second. Oh. Ooh, it's a fixed string. To begin? Mr. Adele, what you doing? Shouldn't you be sleeping? Good news, I got the new license, which means now I got access to some new fancy tools. This will help me figure out a UI, hopefully. Hopefully. Or else. Content control. Content control. I don't know. Good, I'm good. Does the license cost something? Of course. Why would stuff be free, man? The only stuff that's free is when it takes stuff from you. Like free healthcare. It's free, but it costs you your health. Content. Funny. You are funny. No, I don't want stuff for free. I'm good. I'm good. I'd much rather pay for something. Because when you pay people for something, they actually care about it. If you get it to give for free, nobody cares. Dun, dun. Oh, I'm doing this such a difficult way. Because I know drag and drop works in their sample. I'm trying to bring like one little piece at a time so I understand it. Because I will need to customize the heck out of it. The bejesus. So what is... Pinful. See, I was right, Pinful, about chess. I was right, the ding is gonna fall like a piece of paper. Chess is rough, man. Chess is very tough. So if you're not tough, you're gonna get punished severely. But good news also, I got Path of Exile. And it's ready to go. Download it. Haven't launched it yet though. I heard playing a melee character in this game is rough. Which means it's exactly what I'm gonna do. But first, I'll poke around a little bit at drag and drop thingy. It's about dang, yeah. Chess does not take no prisons, man. There is no mercy in chess. No mercy. If you're weak, you get called. And the most amusing thing about chess, you know, like if you play like League of Legends and stuff, and you can blame lag, you can blame other teammates. In chess, there's nothing. Like, you know, deep down, you're just you. Because the worst thing that, like, worst case scenario for chess, if you do everything right, it's a draw. So if you don't draw, it's your problem. Yeah, it took a while for Ding to lose because he was losing in half the matches, in half the games. But even then, it took a while for him to get fully punished. And now for 2 years, we've got Gukash as a champ. So 2 years from now, we'll see the next one. Kind of wish it was a year from now, but whatever. What do I care? Maybe by then I'll actually have a playable early release in my game. 2 years? Why not? So, wish I could track something. Wait, I think I can do something. On drag over. Drag into. An X. Is it Y? Oh yeah, dude, you definitely need like chess is a very mental game, dude. Like, it's basically you walk in a tightrope for several hours at a time every time you play a chess match. You can do everything right and take one wrong step and you fall off the tightrope and you're gone. All that work is for nothing. Like, working on a video game in some ways a lot easier because I can just chill once in a while, make a mistake, go back and fix it. It's not a big deal. And chess ain't like that. So let me see. Can I at least get the right position? Well, it's drag over. Oh, drag over only counts when I'm over something. No. Drag over. So I get it. So this is what happens when that. Oh, who calls this anyway? Oh, it's on this drag over. Yeah, okay. Drag over. Does this even happen? Like if I do this? He actually is trying to drop stuff. It's just that it's not drawing the thing. It's not drawing the thing. I mean, that's actually what is. Can I do this? Text my item. Wait, what does it say my item? My item template local value. Template dragged item. Column span. Wait, what am I doing all this anyway? A bunch of nonsense. Just a bunch of nonsense. Yeah, I don't know what happened to the poor guy, but yeah, just as rough. Can't hold it up, gonna get squashed. Template. Right, so this is doing that. Trigger property content, X now. Oh, I think this means when content is not set, set visibility to collapsed. Mm. Attempting to play Path of Exile with a controller. I bet I'm gonna hate it. Because nowadays I only like the way my game feels on the controller. But we'll see. Yeah. It is not a thing, right? No. So see. Visible. Collapsed. Oh, crap. Crud. Oh. Content. Is that being set? Surely is being set. I believe it is. Where? Dragged item, yes. Okay, what if I all visible, all visible. Well, I don't know where is it. Worst. Nice. Dragon Donor. Dragon Donor. I'll think about it. While I think about it, let's go. Oh, what happened? Are you saying it crashed? Excellent. Okay. Okay, not so fast. Slate transform. What is this part of actually, by the way? Who's a parent of you? Resources, a dictionary. What the hell's the reference, by the way? Ooh, a bunch of stuff failed. Oh, it makes sense. I had a blue screen while I was downloading that thing. Okay. Okay, you shall be forgiven. Take care, just from Coder. Take care. Vulcan. See if it runs it native. Okay.
Criminals! Your sentence is to be hanged from the neck until dead. Let your souls feed the first ones, and your bodies feed the land.
Right. Where's the melee boy?
Foundling! It's a pity to see you like this.
If he slams or like that.
Whipped and broken child. Our people made you strong.
Okay.
How were they repaid? Sedition and lies. Speak now if you choose.
You have space? No. Okay. Solar cell found. Ooh. Hell yeah, we're gonna solar this thing. Cell found. Like a real man. I don't see any hot chicks, so I'm moving on.
Quickly! He's escaping!
Gotta appreciate these games, because these guys actually made their own engine. Alright, D&D mode is now on. Let's see if it hides everything. Movement type. Let's try this.
Have to keep moving.
Oh, it doesn't automatically give me a controller. I was hoping. Wait. Oh. Alright. No controller for now then. Oh, they're doing the thing where they're staring at the mouse. You know what's interesting? They don't even bother right now to do animation for proper turning around. Diablo 4 did. But these guys don't care. They're just like, you just turn in place. They don't even care if the feet are clipping into the ground territory. They don't even do IK for the feet. That's cute. What is snappy?
I'm glad to see another living soul. The miller went off to warn Clear now. Well, I would appreciate it if you could.
Rip.
Clear fell. Find the miller.
That is a rip.
Clearfell could be in danger. I'd best hurry.
Oh, look at that. Look at that tip to the tilt tip to the third. But not that. I go. Hell yeah, look at this. Oh, we're gonna do this. How deep am I gonna go? Oh, I can go deep. I can go deep in here. That's actually pretty funny. That's pretty funny. There's no shift click, just left click. Alright. No. probably around again. What does that button do? No idea. Roller. All right. Okay. These are roll. Um, okay. It is there. What is the attack, by the way? A. Yeah, these guys do have the same approach. Kind of automatically point at him. It's amusing. It does roll, but it doesn't want to attack of any kind. It's trying to. What? It's only click. Again. Okay, now it works. That's a wild one. There is a different attack here. Now what the hell is controller? Some kind of hand thingy. Until the next first hell's gonna be a while, huh? Aw, no pause on inventories. Not like in my game. Yeah, very stingy in the items, huh? Ooh, on fire. From little Spidey boy? That was a lot of effects for very little damage. That seems overkill. Seems overkill. And if we're working today, I mean, same thing as UI, but right now taking a break on some Path of Exile. Checking it out, although it's been kind of weird. I've been trying to use it with a controller, it's been giving me headaches. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Controller. Save. See if I can attack now. But yeah, and if I get the good news that I got, this A needs to be. What the hell is this? Toggle map. Am I supposed to assign something to the A? Somehow the attack ain't assigned to nothing. Oh, complete the good news, brah. I got the license for the NoesisGui library. So now I'm no longer limited for the 10-minute duration of running UI before it turns off. So now I can actually put it in the playtest once it works, but that's gonna be a while. But I'm still figuring out drag and drop items. I'm probably like 80% there of it working, but right now nothing visually shows up. The good news is now that I have a licensed API set, I have an additional tool set that allows me to inspect the contents of the UI. Bro, why is... I don't even know how to set the attack. Like, what is A? Is that just interaction? Nice and how? Not sure what you're reacting to. Let me see. Oh, this is A to open a chest. Pick it up. Open the menus. Oh, pick it. Move it. Yeah. Rolling slam. I think that was what was missing. Aha. Uh-huh. Boink. Oh. And this is interact. Okay. Okay, what did I get? Raise shield. Oh, raise shield. Oh. This roll and slip doesn't do much, huh? Dude, looking at this without a mouse is such a pain in mind. Like rolling slam, first slam, second slam. These guys, dude, UI is insane. Use new skill. Bam, bam, bam. Mana's low. Oh yeah, forgot about mana. Alright, now I can have fun with a controller. Checkpoint. Show me the checkpoint. Do some AoE slam. Bam. Alright, finding the controller is fine, but too much UI. I need a mouse. Too much UI. I need a mouse. Well, not sure what happened, but actually it's fine. Go poke at UI again. Oh, I don't need that. I may be asking how I can see the contents. Magic. Mr. Zorvox. What should be building? This is all visible. And yet I don't see anything. Calculator. Hmm. Hmm. Date source trigger. You've made it to close straight up. Loop without tutorial. Nice. What am I missing? Late transfer. What does that do? Nothing obvious. Template local value. And oh, this doesn't update itself. Ooh, can I see it here? Updates it once when you do this. Find Yeah, okay. Wait, yeah, behaviors. There is 0. These things do update itself. Oh! Whoa! We have have contact. Hell yeah. Well, that part is a little funny. Oh, I get it. I get it. Okay. Yeah. Binding. Content icon. Hmm. Can I stick it there as a binding? Does that mean I can bring this? Yeah. How do I pass information in? Source, templated parent. Relative source. The hell is this? Source self. It is grabbing an icon. Binding. Item icon. Oh, there's too much secret magic. Content. Might actually work. If I understand correctly. Think this. Hey. Oh, you gotta love it when you guess something complicated correctly. You know what? Wait. Cancel property path. Yeah, I would say that when it's null. It's a little annoying to be spamming like that. But I get it. Oh god. Dear god. Alright. So I'll need to build a concept of a slot. Okay. Why is this so painful, dude? Is it really that difficult to change input while in the game? Oh yeah, I got the points. Ah. Melee damage? Oh hell yeah, we're doing melee damage. Is that it? Think so. Falling slam. Oh, shield. Okay. Mana's low, it's fine. That's fine. Middle mouse button is a pain in the ass to press. Hold on a second. Use bounce kill. Mouse 5. Oh yeah, it's better. M5, nice. Mouse 5. I'm not even sure if I support that in my game right now. I'll put that on here. How does that feel? Go up and press Q, huh? Alright, let's see. Oh. Let's test it. How did that touch me? That wasn't even close, dude. Oh, now it's friends. Okay. Alright, at least you can dash just about any time. But the movement is definitely locked. Ooh, you can't block that apparently. Mano a mano, man. Huh. What's the point of shield if you can't block half the attacks, dude? I quite frankly don't get it. Uh-oh. Man, this is like freaking Dark Souls. Jesus Christ. Ow. Still hit me.
Need mana.
Oh, this is the last heal.
I'm sorry, Brannock. It was me or you.
Focus. The hell is that? Energy field. Oh, I see.
Well done. Please come inside.
Why you gotta click to move to the next map? I'm already in it. Just
Father, you're...
Where have you been, lad? I've been what? It's a good thing you managed to escape. We could sorely use your strength in these dark times. There's a beast of particular dark power stalking us out in the Farin. It moves unseen. Now, if you could channel your violence against this devour... Anything take your fancy?
everything's expensive as hell. Okay. What is a sell thing?
I'll find some use for that.
Okay. Alright.
The Count must die for what he has done to us.
See. Okay. Oh yeah. Bone shatter. Falling slam already got. Oh, there's a video.
Earthquake creates jagged ground that slows enemies. After a few seconds, the ground explodes with an aftershock, dealing a large amount of damage. Earthquake creates jagged ground. While Bone Shatter is equipped, monsters display these indicators when their stun meter is almost full. Use Bone Shatter to stun them instantly and deal a high damage explosion around the target. While Bone Shatter...
Gonna go with this. Okay. Whoa, these guys hurt. Jesus Christ. We have to compare. Man, this game hates giving items. Holy crap. It's like the only way to actually destroy a boss. Otherwise you just get crap. Oh. I didn't even kill him. Didn't even kill him. Let's see. Another crappy item, of course. Can I do double? Oh, I do. Oh, that's cute. These guys look like they're just standing. Mud burrow. Let's go. Let's go.
This lair, how deep does it go?
Yeah, I'm not seeing benefit.
No mana! Hammer and anvil!
And go. Hold.
Forged by flame.
Jesus. Kim hates items early game, for sure. Jesus. Hey, I got an item actually. Holy crap, I got an item. I'm talking about. Level 2 Skeleton Warrior Minion. I will say though, that game is hard in the hand. What we got here? Yeah. Oops. Anyway, the good news is I got the first drag working. Means I can take the drop item behavior. Much nicer here. Okay. think you can really play Path of Exile with a controller. The mouse is such a pain. Okay. Oh, I need drop item now? Okay. Item. Mm-hmm. Right source. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. The Bokus Game Awards live stream. Oh yeah. Sounds boring as hell. Let me see. Game Awards. Are you even allowed to restream that? Why is this vertical? Okay. I'm sure it's gonna be boring as hell. Thanks, Sus. Bring it to my attention. You missed a few minutes of me playing Path of Exile. I do not like mouse control at all in that game. I hate it. Actually, it gives me carpal tunnel. I need to switch to full-on controller, I think. That game is too twitchy. Kind of feels unwieldy too, like it's hard to control the character somehow. Well, it's good to know. If they come after me, I'm gonna say Mr. Sus told me, so I'm not to blame for anything. Know what I'm saying, man? Hey, Dr. Scifi, hell yeah. Alright, what did I miss? Missed something. What did I miss? I think I missed ahead of fun. Don't tell me how to figure that one out, but I did. I mean, don't ask me how. Bum, 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 bum. Path of Exile 2. Like, dude, in that game, my hand still hurts from playing it with the mouse. Like, dude, that was like the worst thing. Even Diablo 4 is not such a pain. Like, why? Okay, let's see. But meanwhile, I have made progress of drag and drop. I can actually drag something now, which is a big D. Look at that, I'm dragging it. I'm dragging something. It actually gets the source, so if it will say what it's actually dragging. On drop. Okay. Execute, what does that do exactly? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe what I could do for now is a test. Like on drop. Somewhere. What exactly does it do actually? Oh no. Drag over. So many classes of different types, dude. My own system was so much more understandable to me. Hmm. Own and drag item. Right. Behavior. drop. Let's think. Gives me a drop item. Okay. Oh, what do I remember seeing? An actual drop logic. If it wasn't here. Right here it was. So on drop item is the thing. Right here. Okay. Okay. So this is the target slot that I'm dropping on. And yeah, I know some of those dudes, sure. I mean, the big popular streamers, it's whatever. Oh, this is not even live. Oh, now it's live. Yeah, but yeah, thanks. I'm sure it's fine to stream. I'm sure. Yeah, but yeah, it's actually a good point to see what others are doing. Well, there's always Mr. Asman with his stuff. He's doing a bingo card. Have fun of that. Have fun of that. Meanwhile, let me see. So this should change to C. And it's not. But I thought you would. And it's not. Let me see what's currently. Currently it's a C. Oh, this is the item being dropped. And this guy would be... Uh-huh. Uh-huh. 180. See. Man, this guy just doesn't want to stay in life. The moment you all type of way, it's like, oh, just buffering, not playing. I'm guessing it starts at the top of the hour, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure it is. Okay, but the real thing is gonna be this guy. And this is on the model. One star drag item. Wait. Star drag item. This is where I'm dragging from. Uh-huh. 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 don't know about that yet. Let's do this. Track source. While that show is going, I think we'll get drag and drop working and twerking. Okay, drag source. What else do you need for drag source? I don't know if I need this, to be honest, but drag source. Is it being reflected at all? No. No. Okay. Well, kind of dirty doing all this object-oriented stuff in my code, but let's get working first, and I can clean it up. Track source. Let's try this. I feel the old country got leaked. Okay. I don't think it matters much, to be honest, but sure. I think the people who actually watch leaked trailer videos are very few, far between. Let's see, B to C. Let's see, drag source is a C. So target better be a B. No, it is a C. And so is this. They're both C. Means this is not correct. Yeah, it's not correct. You do it here. Start drag. Start drag. Yeah, GTA 6 trailers, yeah, I guess. But like the real question is, does it actually do damage? Like I get it, definitely it's bad to steal private trailers and release them like that for sure, but I don't know if it actually does damage. IMO. Because they usually treat it like they're about to lose $1 billion because the trailer got shown a day prior to this event. If anything, I think the owners who are running this are the one getting mad that the video got shown prior. Because that, you could say, kind of affects a little, maybe? Could say that, yeah. I get that. Let's see, was it clicking on B or not? That is a question. Yeah, it is a B, so it got saved into B. So when I'm dragging it, it gets a freaking B. Okay, so it's a B here. And it's a B here. This one, it's a B as well. Oh yeah, it's a source. I'm confused. Ready for Half-Life 3. That's funny. That's funny. I guess I could actually watch it. I don't know, man. I mean, if they haven't made Half-Life 3 for a decade, my guess they just don't. I think the Half-Life 2 were just so good that they don't have full self-esteem to make a follow-up. I think they probably know that the people who made it happen, they're just not there anymore, and it's very difficult to find that kind of quality again. So they just figured, hey, just might as well not ruin the follow-up. It's gonna suck. So you can respect that to a degree, at least. But let's see. What if I catch it earlier? Oh, working with new libraries. There's so much to learn. I hate it. I don't want to learn. I just want to build. Team B. So dragged item contains B. That makes sense, certainly. But what's telling... Let's see. Yeah, I don't know if Alex was a push, because dude, VR has been a complete failure. It's like, I think even investors now going away from that stuff. Like, VR just not taking off in any fashion at all. It's like a most sold VR game on Steam. Maybe can I do analysis here? VR. VR? I mean, VR supported, I guess. No, let's do VR required. Yeah. Search for specifically for required though. I mean, I guess it could say sell 100 million. That's barely breaking even, probably. Next one is Beat Saber. Dude, like, Beat Saber is still the best game basically out there in the last 5 years is VR. Which, no. It's just not. But this, how much did they make? I don't know, man. I don't think it makes anything back. No. VR is still sucking. But you know what? VR is really good for getting well-paying jobs that are going nowhere, like at Facebook's, Apple's, whatnot. There it's going swimmingly. Dude, who has the freaking C on drop item? You'd think that this guy would contain the slot I'm dropping into. Oh wait, it is. Target slot is my item C. So wait, I'm confused. I'm dropping into this, which means I should update this guy to B. Actually, it should update its name. Maybe what I'm missing is like a notify change thing. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying, man? I think so. Where this notify change was at? Property changed. Property changed. Would do. Yeah. Property changed on drop. They don't do anything here. Maybe they do this, maybe. Updated selected slots. Update something. Yeah, Chris, drag and dropping is annoying in every UI framework. You know what's funny? Drag and drop was so easy to implement in my own UI. But everything else, just want to make it customizable. So there's like 5 layers of interaction every freaking turn you take. Such a pain in the ass. It's still like day 3 of me figuring out drag and drop. How many lines of code GTA 6 gonna have? Millions. Millions. Although, to be fair, most of that is actually art assets anyway. I mean, they usually don't push for that much gameplay, though. I'm sure they do. Just sheer amount of people writing code. Guess I might as well have it play music. I just have it play so I can hear it. Oh, I should move it over to here. Let me know if you can hear the music well enough here. And once it starts. Memes. I'm scared to open memes on this YouTube. Might go wild. Update drop slots. Own property changed. You know what's funny? You know, well... I need something easy to debug, as opposed to this nasty string class. I think to... Forget slot. Um... Drag and drop from 2. I mean, we'll see. I mean, really, the thing is, people who make good games are the good engineers. So the question is, were they able to keep them? Or did they piss them all off? So you grab it from B. What a print. You know what? Actually, I think it works. It just doesn't update visually. I need to trigger an update visual based on a... I was hoping it would happen by itself, but it doesn't. Because initially this goes... Yeah, initially it was from C to B. Oh, I'm actually confused by this. Oh, yeah. So this actually works. Because A to will say A to D. You can see it? Not really. Now you can see it. A to D. And then you do it again. It just becomes A to A because A already got written. So the data wise it works. What it doesn't work is that I need to update this thing. And I'm not sure. Game Awards leak. That's funny. Concord 2, boom. Concord 3, boom. Try to okay, nice. That's what I'm talking about. Let me see. After updating the data context binding, UI elements doesn't receive the update, and I think it's binding name. If property changed. Oh. Plus boy. Boy. Which property is actually changing? Right. Right. This guy. So I need a property change here or something? I'm not sure. How does it work here? But a slot. Item changed. There you go. Found you. Can't hide. Cannot hide. Oh, ChatGPT was down. Yeah. I wonder if some kind of global cloud outage, because Steam was down a couple days ago as well or something. You never know, some random AWS point could just died. Yeah. Item changed. One item changed. Item changed. Set item. Ah. I see what's going on up in here. Property changed. I might be able to actually just do that. Yeah. It's not this that I need to do. It's this dude. Fine, I'll give you freaking changed. Oh, it doesn't derive from it. I see. Yeah, so I don't actually use this. These guys came from the samples because their sample code just uses them everywhere. Like, dude. I've actually deleted everything I copied out, except I occasionally do use these lines here because it separates like two classes. And I'll put them in a separate file soon enough. But for now, this is fine. 4.2. Indeed, indeed. Okay, I see. I see. So, can I just do this? Oh. Dude, it's been like a year since I wrote any of these inheritance code. It's so unsatisfying. Maybe it will work. I hate this tiny one-line functions. But let's get working end to end, then I can do it in a different manner. Let's see. Hey, look at that. Now everything has become B. And that's something. Yeah. Into A, turn into D. A, D. A, D. Oh, this is a big deal. This is a big deal. I was right. Before the show got even started, I got drag and drop working. Drag and drop is working with data and UI. Well, that only took forever and a half. But now I can think about actually fixing the UI looks of everything. But also need to actually create a slot, because right now you can only really drop into different items. Doesn't particularly make sense. And when is it supposed to start? Oh, it's 7:30, dude. There was like another 17 minutes of this. You know what? While this is going, let's do a quick chess. By the way, today I'm 2200 plus 16. A real 2200 on the chess. That's right. Although I don't know. Oh, that's annoying. Here, check goes back. What happens then? I don't see anything. Chat light. What am I missing? Just this takes. Bishop's holding the square. Otherwise, this would be rough. Man, I just need to get this unwound a little bit, and that'll be fine. That's... Here, check. Damn. Man, 2200s are rough, dude. They're just rough. Such a stupid combination. It's pretty nasty. That is nasty. Yeah, that was quite a find, dude. Q1, huh? Yeah, it was just nasty. Yeah, I felt that 92 was just wrong. 22 instead. How much time? Do you have any interesting projects for newbie C++ programmers to make? Seen text editor, Jesus Christ, no. 2D Space Invader game, not too much. My recommendation for starting programming projects is to create a text adventure. Kind of like the old school games where everything is text controlled. And it's just a matter of... You basically describe what's going on and then... Usually gives you like a paragraph describing a situation, and then text gives you like 4 different options to do, to take, like, do you go to left or do you go to right? And then based on action, the next thing happens and you're going to proceed to the next scene. And this can all be just purely text. If you want, you can add images if you really, really want. It's not particularly necessary. But you could even have like AI generate a whole bunch of stuff for you too. Like even ChatGPT. Like a background images, but yeah, just text adventures about the best because you could still have all the fancy stuff that you want. You could have attributes, character builds, different character tags, but just like everything is text. So you have to deal with like early math and stuff. It's gonna be like quick action right away. That is my recommendation. No, not even point to click, just literally text. You just can console. All you do, just doing everything in console. There's no draw, there's no 2D, there's no 3D. Just all you're doing is just printing out a text on the console. If in order to print that, you can make a game. Like you don't need anything else. Yeah. Surely bishop is better than knight, right? Surely. Yeah, draw it is. Well, I guess I'll lose 2 points for this, huh? Damn, I didn't realize the guy was that. I mean, hell, if you really wanted to get advanced, you can work in a game like even this one, like NetHack. Kind of like the old school, where you can still do. Oh, what is this? I just need to images, dude. NetHack images. Like you can still do a lot of terrain, but you just purely just on text if you really want that way. But also some games that pretty big on Steam that have that same style. Biggest text games on Steam. Text-based games on Steam. There was one recently I remember that came out pretty big. Oh yeah, the Quid. I think the Caves of Quid? Or something like that. Quid? Quid. Yeah. Well, this is actually... no, this is kinda not that. No, this is still spritey. Yeah, but even that, I mean... going from text to that is not too much work. But yeah, initially we just do purely just text. But even this might be maybe like a second project. Initially just purely text adventure. Text adventure games. Let's see, what's a good example? Yeah, it just gives you kind of like a different prompt and description, like what's going on, and ask you what you want to do. I don't like this. Play textured games online. Scare any link to any links, anything? The finest text adventure. Okay, enter. Oh, so there you go. So you say look, and it tells you now in the Century Park. Park, one side Great Park and the Great Path. Some poplar trees, okay. Laser soundless troop significantly over your head. What is that? They're supposed to say... I guess by default, and you're supposed to say... See, this one doesn't give you an option, like you're just kind of supposed to type and guess what kind of things you do. Can I just say run? Run north. But that way lies the party. Okay. And there you go. That's kind of interactions you can build out. Just purely just text. Because graphics, I mean, just first get a handle, just working your different logics and setting up data controls and whatnot, and then you can do the rest. Once you can handle that easily, then sure. Proceed into 2D world. Any moment. Yeah, text choice based games. Because this is like, I think maybe they used to be called mod games. Mod games. Maybe it was something else. No, it's a multi-user dungeon thing, but I guess it was kind of text. It's kind of the old stuff. Yeah, I guess this is slightly more involved, but yeah, you can express a lot with just text. But NetHack is by far the biggest example where, like this, like for example, this is like a NetHack game, right? So you can do all this in a terminal. You just need to figure out API where you can specifically just print specific locations without just like rolling over. That might be easy dealing with 2D. And NetHack is humongous. You can actually play it online. NetHack online. See, what can I play? Like here, for example. Play now in the browser. Like boom, there you go. So here, just an example play. Just, oh, can I just play? I guess I can just, like, watch somebody in progress. This guy's chilling. But this one you're gonna have to like know like which symbol means and so on. I think @ sign is you or something. Is this guy active? Idle. Oh, I guess the guy's just playing. A Wi-Fi outage. Yeah, I was saying the biggest NetHack text adventure game is NetHack when you're ready to progress into TD World. Because you can still do it in a console, like this one. Right now I'm watching somebody play, but unless like you know the symbols, it's not gonna particularly mean to you. I think the @ sign means you. Oh, looks like I screwed up the console completely here. Let me reload again. Let's see, just watch some games in progress, like A. Yeah, so the @ sign is your player. Percent is food. I think F is like an animal or some kind. And you like move around with arrows or whatnot. But initially I would just do text prompts. Kind of old school temp prompts.
I'm Sydney Goodman, and welcome to the 2024 Game Awards opening act presented by State Farm. We are counting down to the main event, our 10th anniversary show. But I promise you, we are more than a pre-show. We are the extension of a program
Alright.
so packed.
See what they have.
Tonight, we are coming to you live from the peak
How long is the show, by the way?
to celebrate the best in gaming from the past year, with special performances from Snoop Dogg, 21 Pilots.
Oh, that sounds like it's gonna be hours and hours, dude. Oh my god.
Premieres that will
Alright.
blow your mind, including Mafia: The Old Country, Borderlands 4, and more. In fact, I have one ready to reveal.
Curious though.
And it's a very special one to kick off our 10th anniversary.
Search for simple text adventure games. Anime's trying to get more and more popular, huh? Yeah, and you can just like search for like really old adventure games. There's a lot of them you just do. Just like simple backgrounds or even just like text backgrounds and then proceed what to do and so on. You can, up to you what kind of options you can provide. Right. And you can go like ChatGPT generate like some kind of basic backgrounds for different scenes if you really want to. And then you can put that. I mean, ideally you would even put that into a website, which I think you can do it in C++. Then make the game free, run ads on it, and boom.
Ninja Gaiden Ragebound coming in summer 2025. It's the new title from .emu, the publisher behind Streets of Rage 4 and TMNT Shredder's Revenge. That announcement makes a killer.
Oh wait, let me know if you can hear the stream in the background well enough.
Best fighting game. Here are the nominees: Dragon Ball Sparking Zero, Grand Blue Fantasy vs. Rising, Marvel vs. Capcom Fighting Collection Arcade Classics, Multiverses, and Tekken 8. The Game Award goes to... Oh, look at that. Tekken 8.
These bros look just bros, dude.
Thank you to all gaming community and Tekken community.
That is so funny, dude.
Thank you to my developer.
No, as a game developer, I think it's such a waste of time to go to awards like these. It's like, dude, why? Like, maybe it's like a extra PR, extra marketing, but just like such a hassle.
And now, a new kind of cozy game that is unlike anything you've played before.
Oh boy. I'm guessing this is VR. Yeah, that's VR for sure. I don't know why game developers keep making these games for VR that just... It's like they're scared to do anything interesting here.
On the floor lies a tome covered in blood, titled Top Ways to Conquer the Spire. You find this manuscript highly suspicious because it's covered in blood. You read the book, covering your hands in blood.
Yep. Oh yeah, this is good. I knew it sounded familiar. So by the time we get second version of this game, I played a lot of this card game. Play a text-based game, make it free on a website, run ads, boom, done. Oh, how about Semony? I bet this game is gonna be pretty good because the first version was good. Early access. Still. Pretty good.
That was the first look at the gameplay of Slay the Spire 2. I'm thrilled because there's a new Slay the Spire, but also terrified because I just got over my crippling addiction to the first, so the cycle continues. Anyway, after the show, be sure to head over to TikTok and share your best gaming highlights from 2024 with #GamingOnTikTok. And now it's time for our next award, Best VR AR Game. And the nominees are Arizona Sunshine Remake, Asgard's Wrath 2, Batman Arkham Shadow, Metal Hellsinger VR, and Metro Awakening. The Game Award goes to
Ain't play any of
Batman
these.
Arkham Shadow.
But at least that probably is decent.
I just want to accept this award on behalf of my colleagues at Camouflage. You guys did some of the best work of your careers, and I have a feeling that the best is yet to come. The company we work for, Meta, has been a great place to work, and for Oculus Studios, all the support that you provided to us to help us get the game over the line, including our sister studio over at Sanzaro that developed the incredible Asgard's Wrath 2. That was a big, made this category very competitive this year. I also want to thank Warner Brothers and DC for entrusting that incredible Arkham franchise, allowing us to build a sequel to that incredible foundation that Rocksteady and Warner Bros. Montreal provided to us.
Yeah. But I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna end the stream now. It's already late enough. And I'll just watch this along with everybody else announcements while I code a little bit on the side. So take care, Mr. Sus. Have fun. Drag job working so I can continue on. See you tomorrow.